Prince and Starlight Princess. Starlight Prince, we have Genuine Reason, and Starlight Princess, Kristen Joy Amala. Genuine Reason is the son of Nomer and Alicia Reason, and Kristen Joy Amala is the daughter of Elmer and Liliana Amala.
Next in line is our Moonlight Prince James Nino Manreal and Moonlight Princess Kisha May Villarma. James Nino Manreal is the son of Lo Annie, Joyce, and Rachel Manreal. And Moonlight Princess Kisha May Villarma is the daughter of Dadeline and Bernabe Villarma. A round of applause, please.
Pakpak po mga friends.